So here's that same one-dimensional array. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this button, I'm going to move it over, and we're just going to go ahead and delete this. So we're working just with label 1. We're going to run it through a loop, this array through a loop, and print out where each piece is at each position. But instead of using the length, we're going to use the get lower bounds and get upper bounds. So here we go. So we're going to use for I equals 0. Instead of 0, we're going to use array.getLowerBounds of 0, because we're working just with that dimension, to array.getUpperBounds, and that also has to be 0. So now what we can do is we can print out with the label, label1.text equals, and we'll use some concatenation here. We'll use position, we'll use an ampersand, we'll make it I print there, and then we'll use letter, put a colon, ampersand, array of I. So we'll call it to the position the same way that we historically have. And use an ampersand, control cares, dot new line to have the array continue on. So this should count up, thanks to next, until we get to the end of our array. And when I click this button, it only did the last one. So what do we need to add? We need to add a plus sign here, so that continues to add on to that label. And we try it again, and ta-da! Position 0A, 1B, 2C, all the way down the line. Pretty nifty trick that takes a little bit of the math thinking out of it, and also helps us guarantee that our code is going to work the best it possibly can.